Paul on Facebook asks a question which I'm sure is echoed by many people, and he asks whether it's okay to question our faith.
Certainly, I think it's okay. Any person who holds to an intellectual position on anything will at times question whether or not it's true or whether or not he could be mistaken. And at times like these, he'll review the evidence and reassess. And I think that that's a perfectly normal and healthy exercise to do. So there's no reason to think that we can't raise serious and deep questions about our faith.
I guess just as a follow-up for that, are there certain things that you would recommend if people really are going through a huge period of doubt? Are there things that you would recommend to kind of help them in that place?
Well, one thing I would emphasize is that they must never think that doubt is a purely intellectual problem. I think that there's a spiritual dimension to this as well. And so they mustn't, when they're going through a period of doubt, cease to pray, to read the Bible, to meditate, to go to Christian worship, to fellowship with other believers. The last thing they need to do is to isolate themselves from the Christian community and try to go it on their own. That will be spiritually deadly. So I would say when we're going through times of doubt, it's all the more important to be involved in these spiritual disciplines that will cultivate our relationship with God. And then, as I say, I think it's very healthy to review the evidence. That's one of the reasons I've participated in these debates on university campuses over the years. I've had the faith that if students could just listen to a debate between a Christian philosopher and an intelligent proponent of the other side, that they would be able to see which way the evidence points and to make up their mind on the issue. And I think that faith on my part has been vindicated over and over again over the years as the case for Christian theism, I think, just stands head and shoulders above any other worldview that someone might care to offer as an alternative.